All right, so following up on the other video, at this point, I've removed three 8mm bolts right here, and there's just two pieces of linkage to the lock and the handle, and then this thing should come right out. All right, so I pulled these. Here is the lock and the handle, and I didn't even have to pull out one of the pieces of linkage. Here's the back side. You get the hole right here, and then the front side. It's kind of interesting. You see all the dirt, and it did rain today. It's going to rain again, so it is pretty nasty on there. So I'm going to clean it up with some alcohol and then put the other one in place. Before I forget, the way to get the handle with the lock mechanism back in is from the outside in. You don't separate the two. So let me see if I can virtually do that. So as you put this thing in, you got to first put in the latch in first, and then the lock housing has a clip on the inside. Make sure that gets in there, and then you're good to go. All right, everything's back in place, and the lock mechanism is working. Let's see what the front looks like. Pretty good to go. Not a problem. Well, all in all, it's pretty easy, and the other three are going to be a lot easier since they don't have a lock mechanism. Probably took me 20-30 minutes tops, but then I did know how to remove the carrier plate. So look at those videos and shoot me a message if you have any questions. Good luck, guys. The back ones are definitely easier. So I got one whole side done, but the rain's about to come. So just rinse and repeat on the other side and you're good to go.